Welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how we can install Ubuntu and VirtualBox with very few steps. For that we need two things. First we have to install VirtualBox and then we have to download OVA file of Ubuntu. So let's get started. First we have to go to browser, then we will search for VirtualBox. You can see here we are seeing Oracle VM VirtualBox. We have to click on it. Remember that we have to download the VirtualBox from their official website, because VirtualBox from elsewhere will not work properly. So here it is. We will just click on download VirtualBox 6.1, and now you can see we have to select our platform packages. If you are using Windows, so click on Windows. If you are using Linux, so click on Linux distribution. I am using Windows, so I will click on it and it will get started. You can see I have already downloaded it, so I will not download it, so I will cancel it. Simply go to the folder where you download the VirtualBox. In my case it is present in program folder. Here you can see VirtualBox 6.1.38. Preparing to install, and then next, and in few steps it will be installed. I have already installed it, so I will not install it again, so I will cancel it. Yes, finish. And now we have to download the OVA file of Ubuntu. OVA file for Ubuntu. Don't worry, I will also provide these links in my description so you can easily download these files. So we will click on Linux vmimages.com, and it is here you can see VirtualBox image 2.5 and vmware image 2.6. As you know, we are using VirtualBox, so we will download VirtualBox image. If you are downloaded VMware, so you can download VMware image. I will download the latest version 20.04.4. It will begin start downloading. We have to wait for 20 seconds here. For your basic learning, I recommend that you have to learn Ubuntu first. The download will be automatically start. If it's not started, we have to click on this link. As you can see, it has not started yet, so I will click here. It is checking if the site is secure or not. Here it is. Just click on start download. Its speed depends on the internet, so don't worry, you have to wait some time. I have already downloaded, so I am going to cancel it. So as you can see, we have installed the VirtualBox and also downloaded the OVA file of Ubuntu. So now we have to go to download folder where we have downloaded the Ubuntu file. So after downloading the Ubuntu, we have to select Ubuntu 20.04.4. So we will just right click on it and I will extract it here. It will take some time to extract it completely. Here we are. As you can see, extraction is completed. We just now double click on the Ubuntu VBox it will redirect us to the VirtualBox. Let's do it. Double click on it. Here we are. You can see Ubuntu 20.04.3 is added to the VirtualBox. We don't have to do anything simple. We will click on start. For now, we don't have to click start because we have to do some settings. First, we have to go to settings. Here we have to go to network tab. Here you can see that network adapter. If you are using your personal internet like your home internet, Wi-Fi, or your personal office, then you can select a bridge adapter. Or if you are using any institution internet, then you have to select a NAT. Simply click on that and then okay. Here we have done everything. Now simple we will click on start and it will start the Ubuntu. Remember that the username and password we didn't set. It will ask after the start of Ubuntu. So by default to the username and password for Ubuntu VirtualBox OVA file is Ubuntu. Ubuntu. If we will write Ubuntu in username and also we will write Ubuntu in password. That's it. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe my channel and stay connected. Thank you. Take care.